Hi everyone, we're Chris and Hillary, and today we continue our tour across Turkey, where we explore the ancient ruins of Sagalassos, and a blocked gate leads us to our best day of biking ever. If it's gonna rain, we might as well crush the kilometers.
Hillary, how's your water?
Dry. It dries out your mouth. Weird.
It's a marble quarry. That is just a mountain of marble they are taking giant blocks out of.
So we had a plan where we were going to go to the ancient ruins of Sagalassos, which were up on the side of a mountain, and then our navigation app told us that we could go through Sagalassos and to Isparta, where we had a warm showers host. The navigation apps are not always accurate.
When we took a closer look at the map, we realized that the road that we were supposed to take took us directly through the middle of the archaeological site.
And so we started heading up the hill towards Sagalassos with the thought that maybe our plan wasn't gonna work. Yok. Ama yol var.
Hello.
Okay, it's closed.
Okay.
So we thought, well, maybe we could try and sneak our bikes around. So we walked all the way to the other end of Sagalassos, took a look at the road, and it was definitely a big iron gate across the entire road with like a cliff on either side.
It did exist, but it was an Ottoman road, not a modern road.
So we ended up exploring the ruins of Sagalassos. Our plan B was to turn around and come back down the mountain that we had just climbed up, and partway down we found a spot to camp for the night. Hey Chris, where are we?
I don't know. No one told us about this place.
It's so pretty. I don't know what that road would have been like, but this turned out to be probably the best thing that could have happened. It has been the best morning. We woke up in the mountains and then we had breakfast at a beautiful hotel, and then we went downhill on pavement for like 20 kilometers, and it's perfect.
Hey Hillary, where are we?
I don't know, the mountain.
Paying for all the fun we had on the descent this morning. We now get to climb 600 or 700 meters in the heat of the day, but it is what it is. We are attempting to cycle up something that resembles an old road. It's a path down from a water fountain where we just ate a late lunch, feel nice and refreshed, and we found a great campsite, and it's not all that far. It's the town where we plan on spending the night tomorrow. So this is it. We get to camp in the flat spot here and set up our hammocks in the shade under the trees just down there.
So our next stop was Egridir, which is actually a town that we had been to before.
We kind of fell in love with this little town and really wanted to come back and spend more time there.
So we headed down the mountain and through the countryside, but on the way there we were reacquainted with the sidewalks around Egridir. And sidewalks in Turkey are often made of these paving stones, and they end up just buckling and breaking in a way that makes it really uncomfortable to bike on.
And sometimes those would just end abruptly.
We made it to our hotel and spent the day relaxing, staying out of the rain, and chatting with other travelers. Hazırım. Alright, so we're leaving Egridir now, and Chris went inside to go try and get apple locum, because in Washington State where we live, we also have apple locum that we want to compare.
I have apple locum, otherwise known as applets in our neck of the woods. They're greener than I expected. Freaking delicious.
Can I have one?
Similar to very soft gummy bears.
Thank you. Yum.
Should have gotten the big box.
Longish, slowish uphill on nice smooth road. Hopefully the next little town will have some lunch.
Road grades should be limited to whatever the heck this is.
Yeah, this is nice. I don't mind climbing at this grade.
Yeah. Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. Bicycle, bicycle.
They didn't have lunch, but they
had ice cream.
Always have ice cream. We found this amazing cafe, and the food looks really good.
Hey Hillary, where are we?
We are going up a steep road that the locals told us was broken. They told us there is no stones, it is just dirt. And we were like, dirt roads are fine. And they are fine. It's not the surface that is the problem, it is the steepness right now. We're gonna find a campsite soon. Hopefully, it's a pretty view. We found a campsite.
Yep.
It's not too bad. While we were setting up camp, it started to rain pretty hard on us, and then the thunder and the lightning showed up, and it got closer and closer and started making us nervous.
Well, the rain seems to be letting up, and although there's still lightning and thunder, it doesn't feel like it's quite as close for the time being.
It does.